Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is committed to provide insightful information, helpful hints, and a practical advice for you to successfully navigate the enormous ways of make money online. So please make sure that you are subscribing my YouTube and let's jointly take advantage of all online money making chances that are there.
In this video, I'm gonna show how you can earn money by watching a video or ads. I put the website link in the description below. Then you can sign up on that website then and start earning money. Okay. Even you can download the application on the Android or the iOS. After sign up, you can get this dashboard. Okay. Your dashboard is look like this. Okay. Now you can start earning by clicking on the start. Before that, behold that the time given is different for each task. As the time given is increased, the amount you get is more. So click on the start. Now you can see that here it is loading. Now it is counting down. Okay, now it is directed to solving the captcha. Okay, here the one thing you should know is if you don't know how to solve the captcha and search on the Google. Okay, the binoculars, let's solve it. Binoculars. Okay, binoculars. Okay, binoculars. Okay, I think this one. So come back here. As you can see, you can simply solving this here. Binoculars is this one. Click on it. Okay, congratulations, I'm earning this amount in 3 seconds. Okay, click on back. Then after that, do it more. Let's start this one. Okay, click on it. Now it is loading. Okay, as you can see here, it directs to solve the captcha. Is stack of money. You should find here the image of stack of money. Okay, it is look like this. Click on it. Okay, congratulations, this amount can be added to my account balance. Okay, click on it. Let's do more. Okay, even you can refresh it, you get more tasks. Okay, click on it. Okay, it's loading. Okay, good. Okay, this one is cake. You should find the cake image. Okay, to solve this captcha. A setting this one. Okay, congratulations, this amount can be added to my account balance. Okay, back. Okay, by this way you can earn more. Okay, one thing you should know is you invite your friends and earn more, but here you can withdraw it simply through pay out through the faucet pay. Okay, through faucet pay. Okay, let us see my withdrawal history. Here, as you can see, on August 7 at 10:23, I withdraw 0.03 through faucet pay. Okay, this is my payment history. This, as you can see, I withdraw from this platform. This is real legit site. Okay, you can earn simply by watching the ad or by watching videos. Okay, the name of this link of this site is called Surfybee. Okay, thank you for watching.